Way to go. You're the newest Cash Formula Insider. You'll look back at this moment as one of the proudest moments of your life. It's now time to start making money with Cash Formula. You could be making money within minutes after activation. But first, it's a Cash Formula tradition to introduce the newest member to my very own mentor. Yes, the person responsible for showing me the formula and changing my life and allowing me to change yours. It's an honor for me to introduce to you Professor Drew Cummings.
Happy to be here, Tim. I'm looking forward to meeting our newest insider.
So please explain the big money wave that Cash Formula is currently extracting billions of dollars from.
Without question, the hottest market right now is options trading. It is more profitable than any other market right now, way bigger than any return we're seeing in real estate, stocks and bonds, internet marketing, even traditional e-commerce. The formula predicted this trend a few years ago and has made billions since for insiders. Very similar to what our friend did who made $1 billion predicting that the housing market would crash back in 2008. Right now, the Cash Formula accurately predicts which currencies, stocks, and commodities will fluctuate up or down. Don't worry, you don't have to know anything about that stuff. Heck, we aren't the experts either. To be honest, no one can crack the Cash Formula code, so we don't know how it does it. What we know is this. Every 60 seconds, the Cash Formula will select a winning trade.
Which means every 60 seconds, you make money.
Correct. And up to 81% on your investments. It's the best return out right now in any market.
I know right now, Professor, our newest insider might not have a clue about options trading. Should they be worried?
You don't need to worry about how the Cash Formula makes money. Even if you have no idea what options trading means, it doesn't matter. I just want to be as transparent as possible to let you know what market it's currently exploiting for big cash windfalls. If you can take this and push a few buttons on your computer or mobile device, then you have what it takes to make up to $20,000 a day. We've been in this market for the past few years, and from the looks of it, we'll be making a ton of money for years to come. I don't have a crystal ball, but I do have the secret Cash Formula.
Let me also remind everyone watching this, you don't need any experiences with making money online, or do you need any technical knowledge. All you need is the desire to win and the will to fight back against the system that purposely kept you down.
You nailed it, Tim. Frank Sinatra once said, "The best revenge is massive success." Honestly, at this point, if you're here watching and you don't get going right now, then you need to look in the mirror. You see that reflection staring back at you? Yes, that person is the only one stopping you from accomplishing your goals in life. I promise that when you activate your Cash Formula software, you'll realize within 5 seconds that a trained zoo animal could make money with it.
Now it's time to start making money. Below this video, you will see a button. Yes, another shiny button, but behind the button is the Cash Formula, your money. You'll be making money in 2 easy steps. How much money? There's only one way to find out.
Once you click the button below, you will then be redirected to the broker that is hardwired into the software. These brokerage firms only work with Cash Formula and are the top trusted brokers in the world. Based on your location in the world, the broker you use could be different than, say, someone in the USA or the UK, but you don't need to concern yourself with that. What you need to make sure you don't mess up is funding your broker account. One thing about making money with the options market is you can't make money without investing some money. Remember, you win up to 81% of your investment. You don't need to fund your account with much. I would, at minimum, fund your new broker account with $300 to make the most money. But if you can only afford $250, then that's fine too. Just know, the more your initial investment, the faster and more money you can make.
And here's where the automation and the power of the Cash Formula kicks in. It will then take your initial deposit as you make trades, and it will recommend you compound your profits to make even more money. That's how it works. Now I know you're probably wondering, so how do I get the money from my winning trades? At any time, you can withdraw your money into your bank account. Just submit a withdrawal receipt with your broker. They will then transfer the amount requested to your specified bank account. Never any hassle, and all brokers have a 100% payout rate.
You see, the evil online scammers make you believe that you can make money without any sort of out-of-pocket expenses. That's a lie. Not one millionaire on this earth got that way without some kind of initial investment. In most cases, that costs hundreds or thousands of dollars, if not millions. Lucky for you, you pay nothing. You get free access to the cash formula, and because of its power, you only need to invest a couple $100 to become a millionaire.
And might I add, in record time.
To automate the cash formula for mass production use and to make sure it was 100% secure, I had to invest around $1.5 million to accomplish this. You can get your private access for free. I can't even put a price tag on the value here. This is my last big attempt to give back to as many people as I can. I've been so blessed and even more blessed to have mentored Tim. And it makes me so happy to know he's going to be mentoring you until all your dreams come true.
Thank you, sir. Just doing my part, and now it's time for you watching to do yours. Go now, click the button below, and fund your broker account. As soon as you fund your broker account, the Cash Formula software will unlock and will be ready for you to use right away. Don't forget, my team now are here to support you. We have the support email and Skype support group, and you can find all of that information inside the members portal of the Cash Formula. I'm also going to have the insider at the brokerage firm give you a call. They are the very best at your disposal, but I'm sure you won't need much help. Do not miss this phone call if you're interested in becoming a millionaire this year.
I'm sure they are. Who wouldn't be? I need to be honest with you. You need to move fast, as you could be missing out on thousands of dollars already. Also, as Tim already explained to you, I may be forced to take this web page down at any moment. Even though we would love to end world poverty, it's just not realistic. We can only help a few people. We want to help you. So what are you waiting for? Push the button below this video and start making money. And I'll even sweeten the pot for you. As a fast action bonus, I've already set up a special deal with the brokers, so they'll match your initial deposit up to $100,000 when you activate the Cash Formula and fund your account. Yes, you could possibly earn $100,000 in free money. If you deposit the minimum, you will double your money instantly. $600 all the way up to $100,000 in free cash. This special deal is only if you take action right now.
That's awesome. Even I didn't get that deal. Your time is now up. For security reasons, you must activate the Cash Formula now. This is time to protect you and your current insiders. You now have 5 minutes starting now to click the button and then fund your broker account. After that, you're done. Your Cash Formula will unlock and you'll be ready to make money like this. You'll get a call from one of the Cash Formula insiders to assist you making big money right away. Do not miss that call. It's very important. The first $1,000 you make usually brings most new insiders to tears because for the first time it really hits them. This is it. Usually by the time they hit $1 million, they are a totally different person, but for the better. What do you think you would act like, look like, or feel like once you make your first $1 million? I think you can answer all 3 of those questions in one word: awesome. Also, once we pull the webpage down, we're going to throw a big party here at my house. All the newest Cash Formula insiders will be invited. Sorry, it's for insiders only. Now, if you're a little antisocial, that's totally cool. We have many people who just make their money in private and we never hear from them again. Whatever floats your boat.
And we welcome you with open arms. I really hope I meet you all one day.
It's your turn to win. You never have to fail or quit again. With the Cash Formula, you just win. You're going to win so much, you may get sick of winning. You're going to say, please, Tim, I'm winning too much, and I'm going to say, too bad. You've been losing your whole life, and you're going to keep winning. And when you think you can't win anymore, you just keep winning.
I never get sick of winning. Who does?
Of course not. Push the button below now, start winning today, and get ready for your account to fill up. Push the button below. Time is running out. Go now, and I'll see you in the winner's circle.